Check this out. John Deaton, an attorney who supports SRP, wants the SEC to share the Hinman report. While on a recent live broadcast, John Deaton, a speaker for SRP customers, gave the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, 10 days to share the Hinman report. In his statement, Deaton said that the ask for details might help both sides move forward. The commission has 10 days to give a written answer to this question, which he gave them. John Deaton, a well-known supporter of SRP investors, recently asked Gary Gensler, the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, to make the Hinman report public in a live show. There was a story about a speech that William Hinman, a former SEC employee, gave in 2018. Hinman said that Ethereum was not a protection in that speech. On top of that, Deaton has given the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, 10 days to respond to this problem. Because of recent events, an independent watchdog group called Empower Oversight has asked for a review into Hinman's speech and any possible conflicts of interest. When the investigation was finally over, Gary Gensler was given the results by the Office of the Inspector General. In spite of this, the study has not yet been made public, which Deaton sees as an unexpected move. He spoke out strongly when he said that the committee should make the investigation's results public. Thanks for reading this letter. I kindly ask that you make the report available for everyone to read. 7,500 people who own XRP are waiting for this, Deaton said. He made it clear that the report is an important piece of information that helps people understand what the SEC did in the Ripple case. Deaton has also asked other people to talk to. Write to the Securities and Exchange Commission and demand that the Hinman report be made public. His strong belief is that the public's request will be met by the government, which will honor them. This coming few days will be the most important change in the history of Ripple's XRP. This is what I mean by Ripple's victory over the SEC in court. It's only being talked about by Ripple's CEO and normal investors. Let's begin. This is the best optimistic signal I've ever seen. Experts say that this event could send the price of XRP through the roof, reaching $1,000 or more. Don't pass up this chance. We'll skip the beginning and get right to the point. Important information people who are interested in. Cryptocurrencies have been glued to the court case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission since it began in December 2020. Okay, let's move on. First, I'd like to talk about MemoBot, a new project that started not long ago. MemoBot is an easy-to-use crypto arbitrage tool, and the website says that users can earn 10% every day with their Bitcoin. At first, the idea seems good, but let's break it down and look at the pros and cons. What's the point of a MemoBot? Right now, the site gives you two different ways to invest your money. The first plan gives you 10% every day for a week. It is much more likely that Plan 2 will give you a 20% gain in just one day. People who want big gains right away might be interested in these numbers, which look good on paper. However, it is important to always remember that gains like these often come with big risks. MemoBot's main selling point is that you can get your money every day, which may attract people who need their money quickly. People say that it's easy to deposit and take money. Users can easily put money in their accounts after choosing the investment plan they want. Pick the amount of money they want to spend, use the cryptocurrency to put money into the site. It will also be easy to withdraw money from the website. Users only need to click the withdraw button, pick their coin, $USDT is an example, enter the amount they want to take out, and then confirm their request. It says on the website that the money is generally in the wallet in a few minutes. Out of sight, MemoBot is a complicated bot for arbitrage your works. Reports say that this bot looks through 12 different cryptocurrency exchanges to find profitable trading pairs. It then makes deals automatically to take advantage of flaws in the market. Arbitrage dealing is a way to make money in the cryptocurrency market by taking advantage of price differences between exchanges. The platform also makes it clear that a team of experts is constantly improving the bot's usefulness by fixing bugs and making changes to its code. MemoBot says that the main goal is to make sure that arbitrage trading is open to everyone, no matter how much they know about computers or how skilled they are. Even though MemoBot's claims may sound good, you should always be careful and skeptical when working with sites like this. Now that we know everything about the background, Ripple got involved in a very important case that has had a big impact on the whole cryptocurrency industry when it was accused of using XRP sales to make more than $1.3 billion in an illegal stocks offering. Many XRP owners are represented by the well-known lawyer John Deaton. Throughout the case, Deaton has accused the SEC of acting unethically and playing dirty. Deaton brought to light the aggressive finding methods that the SEC was said to have used. As part of these efforts, personal financial records of Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, and his family, as well as those of Ripple's foreign clients and partners, were demanded. Deaton's comment that it was an attempt to harass, threaten, and force Ripple brought home how much pressure they were under. Through it all, Garlinghouse and Ripple didn't give up, and Deaton praised how strong they were. As a result, the company's CEO fought back against the pressure and came out on top. In some ways, Ripple has won. For example, the court said that robotic sales of XRP did not violate federal securities rules. The recent meeting between President-elect Trump and leaders from Ripple, such as Garlinghouse and Stuart Alderode, who is the company's legal chief, has given people hope. Crypto Barbie's tweet says that this meeting could mean that XRP has a big year ahead of it. CEO of Ripple Garlinghouse was positive and said that Trump's win in the election was to blame for the rise in trades in the U.S. and the overall recovery of the cryptocurrency sector. Lawyer Jeremy Hogan, who supports SRP, said that the SEC Visa's Ripple case is over, which started a conversation about when the fight is likely to end. At the same time, Kenny and Guion made hints about a deal or giving up the appeal. The XRP community is hopeful, even though the SEC is about to get new leaders. If well-known crypto supporters like Paul Atkins got important jobs, the future of Ripple might look better. Deaton wisely warns that because legal processes are so complicated, it is best to have realistic expectations. Ripple's journey through this legal maze has not only tested the company's strength, but it has also set a standard for how governments should deal with the Bitcoin